this movie that I think you like. The sky decides to